Hi, my name's Zach and I'm going to be walking you through these videos on the Connect2Fans website. In this video we're going to be talking about how to create a store, really starting from scratch, and it's a piece of cake. To begin with, you can see that I'm at the Connect2Fans.com website. I'm going to click this blue Create a Store button. You can log in using a number of different social media networks. I'm going to use Twitter. Just enter your username, your password. Go ahead and authorize the app. Here's a pretty standard service agreement. Read through this. There's important information in there about what you can do on the site, what you can't do on the site. Once you've done that, accept the service agreement. Click the blue arrow. And now the fees for selling. You're definitely going to want to review these. Very reasonable fees for using the service. Read through those. Once you've done that, accept the fees for selling. Click on the next arrow. Here you're going to choose your permalink. Now, this is really important because this is the address that you're going to be giving people to use the site. So you're going to go for the name. Let's say you type in and the description, a brief description of really what you're about or what the store is all about. Now next, and this is a very important step, you need to set your store's base currency. And this currency has to match the currency that you use in your payment gateway. For example, if you use PayPal and your PayPal account is set up for the US dollar, you have to change this to the US dollar. If you're in Canada, you use the Canadian dollar, you have to set this at the Canadian dollar. And this can't be changed, so you need to get this right the first time. Very important. Once you get that, go ahead and click the next button. Here we're going to upload images for your store. Go ahead and click the plus button for your banner images. You can see that we don't have any images in our media library, and that's fine. Click the upload image. Now you can do this a number of ways. The first way is you can add files. That brings up your standard navigation where you can go and choose the files on your computer that you want. Really, what's a lot cooler than that is you can just drag and drop your files in here. So I actually have this window open over here, and I've already chosen some files, so I'm going to drag this one over. I'm going to drag this one over, and then start the upload. Okay, we're all done. So now choose again the image that you want for your background. I like that one. You'll see here that this image isn't the right size for that banner. No problem. Click the green check button and it lets you resize this. I want to use that right there. That's perfect. Crop, resize, and save. And for my thumbnail image, I want to use a different one. Now you'll notice that it added this third image that wasn't there before, that was a cropped one of this one. So it's not destroying your original image, it's creating a copy of it. Very cool feature. I like this one for my thumbnail. Same thing, it's not the right size. Click and adjust the size here so if it'll fit in, then you don't have to cut anything out. These fields flash green when it's good to go. I like that. Crop, resize, and save. We're good there. Now you'll upload another image for your mobile website. We're going to take it from that one. It's a little different dimensions. Stick with it right there. Done. Now we need your administrator contact info. Now, we're not going to spam you, so make sure and put in your legitimate info because when we're dealing with money, we need to be able to contact you if there's a problem or really to cut you checks and things like that or deposit your funds. So, full name, Obviously, I'm entering in fake info, which is very hypocritical for what I just said, but you get the point. Enter in the country, add your zip code, and this is really cool. This will pre-populate the fields based on the zip code. Now here you can add different social networks. I'm going to start out by adding Facebook. Click on that, it automatically pre-populates it here. And then you just punch in your Facebook fan page address or whatever you want to do, whatever page you want to advertise on your Facebook site. And it adds it. Now this is a very important step. You have to tell us how you want to accept payments. You need to add a payment provider. Click the plus button. Right now we have three options: Monera Solutions, offline payments, or PayPal. I'm going to add PayPal. Here, just add your PayPal address. And then down here is where you can set your store's policy for refunds or anything like that. For now, we're just going to leave this standard. Click the Save button. You've been updated. You've added a PayPal account. You're good to go. The store's created. Here's the address that you can start telling people about. Click the Save button. And here's what your store looks like. In later videos, we'll go into how to change your account info, add images, use the media library, all of those types of things. But for now, that's it for this video. We'll see you guys later.